Hi, I'm Judge Phil, Chief Justice of the 24 Hours of Lemon Supreme Court, and I build stuff like this boombox out of junkyard parts. So using the same junkyard technology I used to make that other boombox, I've made this box, which is a very, very diabolical 24 Hours of Lemons penalty for bad drivers who need to spend some time contemplating their sins. So what happens is, you get a black flag, you come in, and I show you this, and I say, okay, see this pilot? One of these keys on these many keychains fits this. Over here, we've got a early 90s Volvo 240 fasten seatbelt chime to add a sense of anxiety. Oh man, it must be one of these. Oh, could it be this one? Damn, no! To add a sense of urgency, this Chrysler 300 clock spins endlessly. So when the miscreant driver finally finds the correct key and inserts it into this lock, here's what happens. And when you finally see this sign and you hear the Judas Priest, you get to go race.
Thanks for watching Lemon's World.
Don't forget to subscribe.